Hey there, Coach Devin here. I am up early. I'm on the bike. It is 4:35 in the morning. And people have been messaging me a lot last week or so because of Project Fit Devin, and they're saying, Devin, you're up early and you're on the bike every day. Is that the best time to do cardio? What's your trick for losing fat? We're going to talk about that right about now. Before we get going, please click that like and subscribe down below. Please share this with your friends. I've been doing videos for quite a while. I do these to help people get more fit. In reality, to be honest with you, I've been a trainer for 27 years. I've owned a gym for 10 years. I do these videos because I hope that it will help other people get fit, and it will make people want to get more fit. It's my passion. I love this. And no, you don't have to get up at 4:35 in the morning and get on a bike. Okay, number one question. Why am I up so early in the morning? Is this the best time to do cardio? No, it's not the best time to do cardio. You don't have to be up super early to do cardio. It's not gonna necessarily help you. But what really is the trick to getting up and getting more fit? I mean, we're in January, end of January now. People are starting to get into that, you know, January's mostly done. They're thinking, geez, has all the work I've been doing, is it worth it? What is the trick to getting fit? What's the trick to getting abs? What's the trick to getting leaner? You know, it's my New Year's resolution. What am I gonna do? Okay, let's talk about that. So, what is the trick to getting leaner? Well, there's a couple tricks to getting leaner. Number one trick though, watch your calories. Look, the whole point of doing this thing for me is to show people, I'm doing something called Project Fit Devin, is to show people that, hey, I have to watch my calories too. The only way you're going to lose weight and get more lean is you eat fewer calories. Well, really, if you burn fewer calories, you're using fewer calories than you're taking in. Period. End of discussion. There's no, gimmicky way around that. That's science. So, if you want to lose weight, stop eating dumb stuff. Bottom line, stop eating dumb stuff. That will help right off the gun. What do I mean by dumb stuff? Junk food. that will help you. If you cut down on your junk food, yes, you're gonna get more fit. We all know there's a lot of dumb food out there. A lot of dumb food that we all eat. But how do we know we're eating dumb food? Well, the only way to know what you're actually eating is to write it down. Now, no, I'm not talking on a piece of paper. There's apps for that now, guys. There's apps for everything. MyFitnessPal, download it. Here's the numbers, and the only numbers that really matter to you. Number one, you need, take your body weight in pounds, multiply it by 10. That's how many calories you need to be alive. Period. It's an easy one, right? I'm 225 pounds right now. I need 2,250 calories to be alive every day, just to do my thing and be me. Okay, now I know where I am. Track my food. You have to track your food. If you don't track your food, you have no idea what you're actually eating. Because you know what? At that point, you're eyeballing it. You're guessing. Guessing is not going to get you where you want to go. It just isn't. So, track your food. Download MyFitnessPal. I understand. Watching your food, it sucks. Downloading, writing all your food down, it sucks. But you need to learn what you're eating. Lots of people, I'm wiping the sweat off me here. Lots of people are out there and they think they're eating great. They're like, okay, I'm on this thing. Got this thing. I'm locked and loaded. And they're eating 300 or 400 extra calories of stuff they don't even realize every day. Why? Because they are. It's because you're used to it. You're having crackers and cheese every night. I tell you something, I like crackers, and I like cheese. I can't have it every night. Why? Because it's hundreds of extra calories I'm not looking for, and they're not really helpful. You're trying to get rid of the useless calories, so track your food. Period, end of discussion. If you track your food, you will see things. You will know, hey, okay, shit. For me, 2,250 extra calories, right? Body weight in pounds times 10. And you go, wait, okay. I'm taking in 2,300 calories a day. What do? Get rid of some dumb stuff. Get rid of some dumb things. Next thing you know, whew, now you're up. You're good. Just getting caloric negative. That means you are eating fewer calories than you're burning in a day. With that simple multiplication, body weight in pounds times 10, eat a couple hundred calories under that. You're getting leaner. It's a win already. And then of course, number 2, exercise, do something. The biggest problem is people, everybody wants a magic pill. There's no magic pill. There really isn't. Stop thinking there's a magic pill. It is hard work and dedication. That's the only things that matter. If you don't put in the work, you don't get yourself dedicated, you don't go anywhere. So your activity level has to go up. I'm not talking a million. Look, right now, I'm on the bike. I'm gonna do about 20 minutes this morning. I'm gonna get off, I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna burn 200 calories. But if I do that 5 days a week, I'm down 1,000 calories. Just on my activity level. That's good, right? 1,000 calories to lose a pound of fat. You need to get rid of 3,500 calories in your day. Well, that means in 3 weeks, I'm down about a pound of fat. Just by doing 20 minutes, 5 days a week. It's that easy. It's that easy. But if you couple that, people are like, well, Devin, I want to lose more weight than that. Then cut out some of your calories. Eat some fewer calories. If you cut out 300 calories a day, 5 days a week, there's 1,500 plus 1,000. Now you're close to a pound a week you're losing. Week in, week out. That's the trick with this. Fitness is not about enormous jumps and cutting out 1,000, 2,000 calories a day. It's not about that. It's about little sustainable choices. Where you're making little choices, you're getting better all the time. You're always working toward that goal. It's not about today or tomorrow. It's like being an alcoholic. One day at a time. Every day, being a little bit better. Every day, doing the stuff you need to do. As long as you do the things you need to do every single day, you'll have results. But it doesn't happen overnight. It happens over days and then weeks and then a month. At the end of a month, now you can see a big difference. Remember, you're the last person to see this stuff. You really are. Your spouse will see it. Your friends will see it. Your kids will see it. Unfortunately, everybody sees the differences in you before you see the differences in you. So, short steps, small steps, make big changes. You just have to do it though. Every single day, you have to do it. Positive change every day, which are small, little changes every day that are sustainable. You can do. Not, I'm gonna work out for 2 hours today. It's not a sustainable change. That's a crazy change. You can't do that. You won't do that. You'll get sick of doing that. Then you'll stop. When you stop, guess what? You're not going where you want to go. So small changes every day lead up to huge things because it's cumulative, guys. Everything here is cumulative. Little pieces. If I'm in a caloric negative, a couple hundred calories, do a couple hundred calories of work every day. Say I'm at minus 500 calories every day. I'll multiply that out over a week. That's a lot. 7 times 500, that's a pound every week. That's how you make changes. That's how you win. It's not magic pills. It's not, I'm gonna follow this crazy workout plan. It's small changes, more activity. A little more activity every day. That's all you have to do. Not crazy, just a little bit. Cut out some stupid calories that you don't care about every day, just a few. You get rid of those, get yourself in caloric negative, you will get more fit. If you have comments, questions, things you want me to talk about, listen, I do these because I want to help inspire people. It's 4:45 in the morning. I don't necessarily like to be up, but I do it because this is the time I have to do it. You can do it too. Like, subscribe, please share this with your friends. I do these to help people. That's my whole goal here. It's not about making money. It's just about helping other people. Have yourself an amazing day, everybody. Get your butt in gear. Do some work. Eat a little better. And you'll see results too. Have a great day. Don't fight the awesome.